Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can make this really cool, colorful, changing skin color on Dress to Impress. So it obviously only works on free play. It is actually the most simple hack ever. You're just going to go to this area where there's these booths. Press E and go to the color wheel and just jump. And then you're just going to move your cursor around, and as you can see, you're basically color changing right now. Again, obviously only works on free play, so this isn't really a glitch that you can kind of use on the runway. But I feel like it'd be pretty cool, but a little bit, I don't know, it will make me dizzy obviously if I see this on the runway, but you can use this in free play. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.